Hi friends, once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. So today also I'm going to show you the new varieties for this season. We are in the July month, and as I told you in previous videos that July August has been started. The season which has started, you should purchase advancedly. For resellers, dealers, wholesalers, if you are a business reseller, you should have advanced varieties in your business to have a product and set your margin to make your customers happy. So South, especially Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. So when the season starts, you should have the products advancedly though, so where you can fix the margin. Then only you can fix the margin, you can plan your product, packing, varieties, reaching and making your customers, marketing activities. This is what the clothing business reselling you should plan always when the July August starts. And Surat market is always busy from July to December. Yeah, this is a fact what I'm talking about. This is a peak period. Every reseller will come to visit purchase, and I request everyone, don't miss the products. Advancedly purchase, plan the product, then only you will see the profit. When you come late, when you plan late, you will lose the best products. You can't see the sales. So subscribe the channel, my friends. Today I'm going to show you from this silk premium collection, silk varieties. I brought for you one traditional touch, whether wedding season or festival or family functions, one traditional touch for every individual sarees. So subscribe the channel. The friendly budget 1000 to 1400 rupees. Stylish, stunning, elegant, premium, luxury look of rich, heavy pallu, heavy butta weaving sarees, georgette tussle, silk tassels, tussle silk and dolphin silk sarees. Yes, my friends, 1000 to 1400. मैंने यहाँ पे 1000 to 4000 बोला था, उसको delete करना, retake. So the budget is 1000 to 1400 varieties. So my friends, let's see quickly the samples. So beautiful dark purple color, which goes the combination with Rama green color with the silver butta, very pretty, and the rich pallu you can see with the silver butta. So color combination is exactly the manufacturers are giving for the market wise, how the traditional expecting for the South customers. And I talk about the georgette silk with the mustard yellow, which goes with the dark pallu. This is what the pallu which looks here. Every saree you have a traditional touch with beautiful, lovely collection. This is one of the pattern. If I talk with the wedding and season base, bottle green with the matte golden and the royal red rich color. This is what the pattern of the rangoli with traditional pattern of the flower base, historical you can see over here. This is also heavy elegant pallu. Every saree is having a different story for the traditional base functions to have a celebration with your family or your get together. Everyone is having these kind of occasions you can gift in your surrounding, in your family, friends. So this is one of the dark wine maroon color which goes with the blue peacock blue or Rama green. I can say this is one of the pattern. Lovely pretty floral butta weaving, I can tell you. If I talk about the dark kesari color, very premium with the silver butta and the curving strip butta, and which goes with the dark purple heavy silver butta, which you can see the concepts of the traditional. Every saree is having a traditional touch of heavy weaving sarees. So Rani color, Sabul butta with goes with the combination of bottle green. This bottle green which goes lovely color. This is one of the pattern, mini pattu border you can see over here. And if I talk about the next color, which is a peacock blue and the matte bird weaving, you can see over here, and the peacock design with the latest, that goes with the Rani pink border. Every saree is having a 630 meters of the sarees with blouse. And if I talk about the royal red luxurious premium saree for the wedding collection, I just want to show you the lovely saree which comes up with like this, and this saree having a beautiful pallu over here. So elegant, rich look when you stitch with blouse and the saree wore. The bride are really, I can tell you, these collections are very awesome and amazing collections where you can buy from the right manufacturer. These kind of collections which looks very pretty, and the premium which goes with the stylish premium catalogs. So my friends, for the season, the collections are keep coming like this from the manufacturing, from the directly factory price. You can enjoy these kind of collections. Please advancedly book the plan for these collections before getting out of stock. Add into your business, my friends. Either it is a designer saree or silk saree, traditional or casual for the regular wear, please have these collections before getting out of stock. Hope you enjoyed these varieties. So next video we'll meet with new more collections and information. Keep supporting me. Which color you liked in the comments, let me know. And don't follow to subscribe the channel and follow Rani Talks Telugu Instagram page. Next video we'll meet with new more collections and information. Keep supporting me. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.